have to say.
Dallas, do you play games like Xbox games?
Yes.
What kind of games do you play?
I play Call of Duty and Minecraft.
Like Call of Duty, like Call of Duty 1, Call of Duty 2? You play those? No?
Modern Warfare and Black Ops.
Black Ops 1?
Yeah, I used to play that game.
You don't play it anymore?
No.
So what do you play now?
I play Black Ops 2 and MW3.
So, are you any good?
Yeah.
Like how good? Like what's your prestige? Do you have prestige on there?
Yeah, I'm 6 prestige on Black Ops 2.
Is that good?
Yeah.
What's the highest you can get?
Master prestige, that's 11.
11?
Yeah.
How long before you get there?
Probably like 15 years.
15 years?
Just kidding. Probably like 1 year, maybe.
Holy. And then what? What after that?
Then
Grand Theft Auto 5?
Yeah, I'll probably get that game maybe. Or maybe I'll go to MW3 because I'm first prestige on that.
Really?
Well, I was 4th, but then that account got banned.
Why do you like playing video games?
They're fun. I like to go outside too.
You like to go outside too?
Yeah, I ride my bike a lot.
Ride your bike?
Yep.
With your buddies?
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep.
So what are your plans this summer?
I'll probably like go outside, like I don't know, I'll like play a game for a couple hours, then I'll go outside.
And
Why?
this is Dallas signing out. AKA, what's your gaming tag?
X King, X Monster X.
X King, X Monster X.
Yeah.
Xbox 360 gaming tag. See you out there. Kill you later.